Welcome friends, and let me talk a little bit more about the classes with inheritance. Python support multi-level as well as multiple inheritance. So here we will talk about the multi-level inheritance where you can derive a class from another class without using that means the class can be derived from one class only, and that another class can only be can also be derived from another class. For example, here you can see the feline that belong to the cat category biologically is derived from animal, and lions and cats are derived from feline. The same thing with the canine, that is a dog and wolf are derived from canine, and canine is derived from animal. So this is the multi-level inheritance where one class is derived from another class, and that class may be derived from another class. So here what happens, the properties of animals are automatically inherited to canine and feline, and these properties are automatically inherited to their child classes like the lion, cat, dog and wolf. So here, what is the objective of doing this? By doing this, we are abstracting the nature of the class. For example, when we talk about the feline and canine, we can all now also differentiate one more behavior here, that is the roam, because the roam, when we talk about the roaming of these two different biological categories are different. For example, the feline roam, they are basically believe in roaming in a single, and the canine where the dog and wolf are derived, they walk in a pack. So that's why when you create these kind of softwares, you need to analyze the behavior of class and how you can abstract these classes, how you can define the methods and behaviors that can be common in the inherited classes, like here in dog, wolf, lion and cat. So this is pretty simple here, my friends. So let me show you with this example. Here you can see here we know the animals has the three different definitions like the sleep, make noise and roam, and the feline are having the different type of roam behavior. So that's why we are now once again overriding the roam method in the feline, and the same thing with the canine. And here in the lion and cat and wolf and dog classes, we are now redefining overriding the method to the make noise. So this is an assignment for you. You need to create this particular inheritance tree, and you need to gain an output that will look like here, that will print the lion with sleep, make and roam, and cat the same with the sleep, make in roam, and wolf with the sleep, make and roam. So here when you create this kind of inheritance tree by using Python, you will get this type of output, that is the different animals with the different behavior of sleeping, roaming and noises. So this is an assignment for you and you need to make it. So this is about inheritance, and you can also create the multiple inheritance where you can use a comma, and you can inherit one class with more than another classes, more than one classes. One class can be inherited from one or more classes, and you just need to use the comma separator. So search it in the Google search, okay, where you can find the multiple inheritance, and this is an example of multi-level inheritance. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.